Like a medical college cannot open without a hospital, our philosophy is how engineering college can open without industry. And right now, OP Jindal University Raigad is in process of establishing a world-class skill development center in around 20 domains. And AI is also playing most important role in shaping the higher education.
आज हमारे साथ वाइस चांसलर मौजूद है ओपी जिंदल यूनिवर्सिटी के। सबसे पहले स्वागत है सर आपका।
थैंक यू। इस इंडस्ट्री एकेडमिया कॉन्क्लेव में इनवाइट करने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। आई एम डॉक्टर आर डी पाटीदार, वाइस चांसलर ओपी जिंदल यूनिवर्सिटी रायगढ़ छत्तीसगढ़। दिस यूनिवर्सिटी इज सपोर्टेड बाय जिंदल स्टील एंड पावर लिमिटेड and chaired by Mr. Naveen Jindal. The beauty of the university is surrounded by more than 100 small, medium and large scale industries, and because of that we have a strong industry ecosystem. Actually, the curriculum what we are designing is based on the industry feedback. So we are involving all the stakeholders in designing the curriculum of the university. And like a medical college cannot open without a hospital, our philosophy is how engineering college can open without industry. So with the support of with the feedback of the industry and what is the actual need of the industry, we are designing the curriculum and giving the training by using the AI technology in designing the content, in the learning system, in assessment system. And what we are preparing is actually the based on the need of the industry. And right now OP Jindal University Raigad is in process of establishing a world-class skill development center in around 20 domains. The domains including the robotics, the pneumatics, hydraulics, mechatronics, drone technology. Today only I visited one drone plant in Manesar. So artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, machine learning, deep learning. So there will be around 20 domains, and we are going to establish one of the world's best skill development center in our university, so that we can provide real-time training, hands-on experience to the students, and also give training to the industry people through this center of excellence.
Sir, just a simple question. In these days, how AI integration is helping out?
See, AI is very, very important tool for personalized learning, for lifelong learning, for collaborative learning, and AI is also playing most important role in shaping the higher education by designing the content. And most important thing is each and every student is unique, have a different learning style, learning pattern, preferences, liking, disliking. So AI identify the strength, the weaknesses and the preferences of the learning style of the particular students, and help and support in designing the customized content which will help for the learner as well as for the educators. The AI also provide the real-time feedback of the students that helps educator to take action, immediate action for better learning of the learners.
So what kind of technique you apply till date to do a proper advancement, technologically advancement of your student?
See, there are so many AI platforms are available, including the Coursera is one of the platform, ChatGPT, chatbot. These are some of the platforms available. So we have the Coursera, and we are going for the EduTech also. So with the support of some of the AI platforms available, we can take the advantage of designing the curriculum, designing the content, and also in the personalized learning of the students.
PD.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much for your time, sir. I hope you enjoy our conclave.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for inviting. Thank you.